Oh, I'm gonna die. What am I doing? Get me out of here! Dude, I'm stuck! I'm almost dead. Oh my god. Get me out of here. I'm trying.
Dude, to do something?
Oh my god, they're crazy.
Oh, they're children. That's what it is.
Fucking tie me. Do something. Kill me or something and get me out of this shit. I don't want to be in here anymore. Well, I can't fucking open the box. If I can't get out of here. What do you want, faggot? Get me out of here. I don't want to die, because then I don't want to fucking restart this shit.
What if you have to die?
Holy shit. Bro, yeah, and I can use them and shit too. Dude, look what it says. Dude, it says you're out in the middle of fucking nowhere. Oh no, I died. Okay.